So welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get font names and username on TikTok. I will show you guys how to use fancy text in writing your username and your name on TikTok. So guys, if you want to get to know it, make sure you watch the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. Most times on TikTok, if you look through the names and usernames of some TikTokers, you find that their names and username have fancy text added to it. So I'm going to show you guys how to add fancy text like this one and this one. I'm going to show you guys, so make sure you follow. The first step you have to take is to go over to your TikTok app. First of all, the first step you have to take is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see there at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then you tap on where it is written edit profile. You can see it there. Tap on it. Then over to the about section, you're going to see where they have the name and the username. Let's go over to the name, tap on it. So guys, for you to font this your TikTok name, for you to use fancy text on it, what you have to do first of all is to copy it. Let's copy it. Then you minimize. You go over to your Chrome browser, to your browser, whether you're using Chrome or Opera Mini or whichever browser you're using. Tap on it. And then you search for Lingo Jam. Search for Lingo Jam. The first option here, which is this fancy text generator, you tap on it. So guys, you can see this is a translator that converts normal text to fancy text, which you can copy and paste. So over here to this first section, this is where you're going to paste your TikTok name. Then over here you're going to see the fancy text. Different fancy texts are going to be found here. So let's go ahead to first of all paste our normal TikTok name with the normal text. Let's paste it. You can see Phonomobile, and you can see here now they have different fancy text that is appearing here. Let's keep scrolling. You can see the different fancy text. Let's get to the bottom of it, to the last of it. You can see different fancy text. So what you have to do now is to copy the one that you love the most. You can see it. Let me find one that I can copy. Okay, let me go for this one over here. Let me go for this one. What you have to do is to copy it. Then you tap on copy. Then you go over here to your TikTok app again. Then you erase this one here. Then you paste the one that you just copied. So guys, as you can see now, this is the fancy text of your TikTok name. You can go ahead to remove these emojis if you don't like it. Or if you still want to leave the emojis, that's left for you. If I like the emojis, let me leave it there. So once you're done with it, just tap on save. Then tap on confirm. So guys, you can see now the name has changed over here. Now let's go over to our TikTok profile. You can see now the name has changed as well. You can also do the same for your username. You can change the username to the same thing as well. So guys, this is how you go about it, and it's very easy, and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace.